How to save $10,000 in a year, a step-by-step guide. Ever wondered how you can save $10,000 in just 1 year? Stick around and I'll show you how. Today, we're diving into practical steps that anyone can follow to save up to $10,000 a year no matter your income level. We'll break it down into manageable chunks and uncover hidden money-saving opportunities. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about discretionary spending. Think about it. That daily $5 latte might seem small, but over a year it adds up to almost $2,000. Instead, grab a coffee maker and brew your own at home. Next up, those subscription services. Take a look at your bank statements and identify any subscriptions you don't use regularly. That $15 a month for a streaming service you barely watch? That's $180 a year right there. And let's not forget about dining out. Try cooking more meals at home. Not only is it healthier and often tastier, but you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy a nice dinner out, or that you should cancel all your streaming subscriptions. It's all about balance. Maybe pick 1 or 2 streaming services you truly use and enjoy, and try limiting your restaurant meals to once a week or special occasions. Track your spending for a month and categorize your expenses. Once you have a clear picture, you can start making informed decisions about what to cut back on. By making small, sustainable changes to your discretionary spending, you'll free up a significant chunk of change to put towards your $10,000 goal. One of the most effective ways to save is to make it automatic. Think of it like this. If the money never hits your checking account, you won't even miss it. That's where automating your savings comes in. Most banks offer automatic transfers, so you can set it up to move a specific amount of money from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis. Say, every time you get paid. Even if it's just $50 or $100 per paycheck, it adds up quickly over time. Treat your savings like a bill payment. By automating the process, you take the guesswork and willpower out of saving. Start small with your automatic transfers and gradually increase the amount as you get more comfortable. The beauty of automating your savings is that it removes the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. By automating the process, you're setting yourself up for success and ensuring that you're consistently working towards your $10,000 goal. The Fun Factor Savings Challenges for the win. Let's be real, saving money isn't always the most exciting thing in the world, but it doesn't have to be a drag. That's where savings challenges come in. They add a fun and engaging element to your savings journey. One popular challenge is the 52-week challenge. Here's how it works. You start by saving $1 in week 1, then $2 in week 2, and so on, increasing the amount you save each week for a whole year. By the end, you'll have saved over $1,300. Another great option is the No Spend Challenge. Pick a specific period, whether it's a day, a week, or even a whole month, and challenge yourself to not spend any money on non-essential items. The key to success with savings challenges is to find one that resonates with you and fits your lifestyle. Savings challenges are a fantastic way to inject some fun and excitement into your savings journey. So why not give one a try? You might be surprised at how much you can save while having a little fun along the way. Track your progress. Stay motivated and on target. Now, as you're working towards your $10,000 saving goal, it's important to track your progress. This will not only help you stay organized, but it will also keep you motivated along the way. Seeing those savings grow can be incredibly empowering. You can keep it simple with a spreadsheet, use a budgeting app, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. Start by setting up categories for your income and expenses. Then, set realistic savings goals for each month and track your progress towards them. Celebrate your wins. Every time you reach a milestone, acknowledge your achievement and reward yourself. Tracking your progress is about staying accountable, making adjustments along the way, and celebrating your successes. By actively monitoring your finances, you'll stay inspired and focused on achieving your $10,000 saving goal. Review and adjust. Your budget's not set in stone. Here's the thing about budgets, they're not meant to be static documents. Life happens, your income might fluctuate, your expenses can change, and that's totally okay. The key is to regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect those changes and ensure it's still serving you. Set aside some time each month to go over your budget. Analyze your spending habits, see if you're on track with your savings goals, and identify any areas where you might need to make adjustments. Maybe you got a raise and can afford to increase your automatic savings contributions. Don't be afraid to experiment and tweak your budget until you find a system that works best for you. The more personalized and adaptable your budget is, the more likely you are to stick with it in the long run. By regularly reviewing and adjusting it, you'll stay on top of your finances and ensure you're on the right track to hitting that $10,000 savings target. So, be flexible, be proactive, and don't be afraid to make changes as needed. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to save $10,000 in a year. Remember, every little bit counts, and with these steps, you'll be well on your way to saving $10,000 in a year. The most important thing is to start now. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and achieving your financial goals. Until next time, stay motivated, stay focused, and keep crushing those financial goals.